We're here with the 2014 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. Check it out. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. You can use the knob here to scroll through the icons. Of course, it's also touchscreen. When you first get in it with this vehicle, you may need to do a touchscreen calibration. To do that, tap repeatedly in one place in the center of the screen, and you will receive prompts to touch in the four corners and center of the screen. That will calibrate your touchscreen. If you've put in this device and yet you're still seeing your old system the first time you start up, that's totally okay. You'll switch between the old factory system and the new Hamilton system by long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel. So anytime you need to cycle between the two systems, whether in CarPlay or out of CarPlay, just long hold that voice speech button on the steering wheel. Let's talk about how to get CarPlay set up. Go ahead and pull out your iPhone and open up Bluetooth. You'll see a new Bluetooth device. It starts with Car or Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. It doesn't matter what the code says, click pair. Click allow to favorites and contacts. And if you get one final prompt that says use CarPlay, click the prompt approve. Just like that, CarPlay will open. You can see it makes such a difference in the appearance of this vehicle. We have one last important thing to do. Let's say you open up your music and you press play, but it's not playing. You need to check something for me. Long hold your voice speech button, come back to your factory system. You can click on audio. You need to make sure that your factory system is in aux mode. Your phone will be playing music via the new Hamilton box. And the new Hamilton box is using the car's factory auxiliary mode. Okay? Now, you're completely fine to use FM, AM, or XM and have CarPlay showing. But if you want to be using your phone to play music, you need to have the factory vehicle in aux mode. You will no longer be using the factory Bluetooth mode. With your system in aux mode, you can come back to the Hamilton Motor Company system, and hitting play would make the music play. We'll have a second video that'll show you how to use the system and an overview of it. I'll show you now. If you switch to reverse, you can see the backup camera comes up. Coming back to park will bring you right back to CarPlay. Check out our other video for an overview of all the features. Of course, you can give us a call, 919-858-2890, or check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.